Ronald Reid was a humble janitor. He lived a modest life in Vermont. He drove a used Toyota Corolla. Most people had no idea about his wealth. Ronald Reid was a millionaire. He amassed a fortune of $8 million. It wasn't luck or inheritance. It was the power of saving and investing wisely. Ronald lived below his means. He saved diligently from his salary. He invested in quality companies. He held on to those investments. His story is an inspiration. He donated to the local library and hospital. This act of generosity reflected his character. Saving money is the cornerstone of building wealth. It may seem daunting, especially on a tight budget. But remember, even small amounts add up over time. The key is to make saving a habit. Start by setting aside a small portion of your income each month. As you get comfortable, gradually increase that amount. Think of saving as paying yourself first. Before you pay bills or buy groceries, set aside your savings goal. Treat it as a non-negotiable expense. You'll be surprised how quickly your savings will grow. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. One helpful strategy is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account. This way, you'll consistently save without even thinking about it. The power of automation takes the emotion out of saving. Another important tip is to track your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Perhaps you can reduce your dining out budget or find a more affordable gym membership. By plugging these small financial leaks, you'll free up more money to save and invest. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned towards your financial future. Ronald Reid wasn't a Wall Street whiz. He didn't use complicated investment strategies. He simply invested in what he knew. He bought shares of solid blue-chip companies. These are well-established companies with a history of profitability. He then held on to those investments for decades, riding out market fluctuations. This approach, known as value investing, focuses on identifying undervalued companies. These companies may be overlooked by the market, but they possess strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. By investing in what you understand, you can make more informed decisions. Diversification is another key principle. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Diversifying your portfolio reduces risk. It protects you from potential losses in any single investment. Remember, investing involves risk. There are no guaranteed returns. However, by investing consistently over time, you increase your chances of earning positive returns. The key is to stay the course, even during market downturns. The stock market can be volatile. It's natural to feel anxious during market downturns. However, it's essential to remember that market fluctuations are normal. They are part of the long-term cycle. Panic selling during a downturn can be detrimental to your portfolio. Ronald Reid understood this principle well. He weathered numerous market crashes and recessions. He didn't panic and sell his investments. Instead, he stayed the course, knowing that the market would eventually recover. When the market drops, it can be tempting to try to time the market. However, this is extremely difficult, even for seasoned investors. A better approach is to stay invested and ride out the volatility. Remember, time in the market is more important than timing the market. Instead of panicking during market downturns, view them as potential opportunities. When prices are lower, you have a chance to buy more shares of quality companies at a discount. This approach, known as dollar cost averaging, can help you build wealth over the long term. Section 5. The magic of compound interest. Time is your greatest ally. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. It's the concept of earning interest on your initial investment. Then you earn interest on your accumulated interest. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to exponential growth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can grow into significant sums. This highlights the importance of starting your investment journey as early as possible. To truly harness the power of compounding, you need two things: time and patience. The longer you stay invested, the more your money will compound. Resist the urge to constantly check your portfolio or make impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable wealth over time. By understanding the power of compound interest, you can make your money work harder for you. Section 6. Multiple streams of income. Diversifying your path to wealth. Relying solely on your job for income can be risky. What if you lose your job or face unexpected expenses? That's where multiple streams of income come in. By diversifying your income sources, you create a safety net and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Consider starting a side hustle, freelancing in your spare time, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. These additional income streams can provide financial security. Plus, they can help you reach your financial goals faster. Creating multiple income streams doesn't have to be complicated. Start by identifying your skills and passions. What services or products can you offer? What problems can you solve for others? Remember, building wealth is not just about earning more money. It's also about creating a life of financial freedom and flexibility. Multiple income streams can provide that freedom. Section 7. The value of patience. Resisting the urge to get rich quick. In a world of instant gratification, it's easy to fall prey to get-rich-quick schemes. However, true wealth is built slowly and steadily over time. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Avoid the temptation to chase after the latest investment fads or try to time the market. These strategies are often risky and can lead to significant losses. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs along the way, but by staying focused on your long-term goals and resisting the urge to get rich quick, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Focus on the fundamentals. Save diligently, invest wisely, and be patient. Time is your greatest ally in the wealth-building journey. Section 8. Discipline and consistency. The keys to financial freedom. Discipline and consistency are paramount in achieving financial freedom. It's not about making a single, large investment. It's about consistently making smart financial decisions over time. This means sticking to your budget, saving regularly, and investing wisely. Even when life throws curveballs, stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and temptations along the way. But by developing disciplined financial habits and remaining consistent in your efforts, you'll overcome these obstacles and achieve financial success. Discipline and consistency are the cornerstones of a solid financial foundation. They are the keys to unlocking your full financial potential. Section 9. Simple strategies for financial success. You don't need to be a financial expert to manage your money effectively. Simple strategies consistently applied can yield powerful results. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can save more and spend less. Next, prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit cards. This debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth. Consider debt consolidation options to simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rates. Once you've tackled high-interest debt, focus on building an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It will provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected events, such as job loss or medical emergencies. With a solid financial foundation in place, you can then focus on investing for the future. Start by setting clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? Having specific goals will keep you motivated and on track. Section 10. Taking control of your finances. A journey to financial wellness. Taking control of your finances is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. It's about creating a life of financial security and freedom. Start by educating yourself about personal finance. There are countless resources available, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. Remember, financial wellness is not just about how much money you have. It's about having a healthy relationship with money. It's about feeling in control of your finances and making informed decisions that support your overall well-being. It's time to take charge of your financial future. Start by taking small steps today. Over time, these small steps will lead to significant progress. Section 11. Upstart. Your partner in debt consolidation. Dealing with high-interest debt can be overwhelming. It can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of payments. If you're struggling with credit card debt or other high-interest loans, debt consolidation might be a viable solution. Upstart is a leading online lending platform that offers personal loans for debt consolidation. Upstart uses artificial intelligence and alternative data points to assess creditworthiness. This approach allows them to offer competitive interest rates and flexible loan terms. With Upstart, you can consolidate your high-interest debts into a single, manageable monthly payment. This can simplify your finances and potentially save you money on interest payments over the life of the loan. If you're considering debt consolidation, explore Upstart as a potential option. Their user-friendly platform and personalized loan options make it easy to take control of your debt and start building a brighter financial future.